Welcome to the stream. I'm streaming again. Oh, there's no music. Oh my gosh. Why? I do this every time. I do it every time. Okay, I also have the chat there, and I have it on my screen so I can see it. All right. Let me. Yeah. Is it still okay? It says live. 30 seconds. So this is It's really happening. That's exciting. Get my spicy organic ginger tea. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, that's right. I should really try to branch out from this thing instead of this acoustic guitar thing. Maybe I'll do something else. Maybe I'll give YouTube another shot. Even though I probably shouldn't, right? Maybe I'll Google first. Royalty free. We'll just do something like that, right? YouTube. Okay, it says copyright royalty free, right? 28 minutes. Let's try it and see if Twitch mutes it. I feel like I might have done this before, but now I'm not sure. Oh wow, it's really making my because it's streaming in HD. Here, we'll do that 144p. There we go. Hopefully that makes the stream a little better. There we go. All green. Okay. I'll turn it down a little bit. It's pretty loud. Oh, oops, I muted it. Okay. Alright, so, last time, I don't even know what I was talking about last time. I'm pretty sure I was, oh wow, this thing is really taking a dump still on this. Oh, it's green. Okay. Maybe I have something open that's like taking a bunch of bandwidth. No, I think it's okay. Alright, so, let's see. I'll just show you what I was working on, right? I was getting tired of, oh my gosh. Okay, whoops. Oh, jeez. Alright, well, we'll just... I was getting tired. Oh, first of all, I'm using Vim now. Not Atom, because I like figured out how to use Vim a little better. So that's good. Hopefully, is it switching? I hope it's automatically switching. Let's see. Oh, you know what? Browser? Yeah, that's fine. Let me do that. There. Okay. Yeah, so I got tired of, I'm using this like SQL kind of thing, right? In this project. So I got tired of like, oh, there's an Elixir one. Oh, they just named it SQL. Interesting. Oh, def module. It's actually almost better, right? Use this use thing. But anyway, yeah. So I'm using this, and I got real tired of writing insert, update, delete. So I just did this, and it does everything in a transaction. It does insert, update, delete, and then all and stuff. I'll show you what it looks like. Actually, I'm not sure how to get Conjure working, but it is working. Let me see. Maybe I can, oh, whoops. Maybe I can connect to it. Let's see. That's one of the benefits of using NeoVim. It's good. Yeah, this sponsored by thing is crazy. I don't understand. Can I click it? No, I can't. It's weird. Okay. Okay, let's try to evaluate something. Oh, I swear this thing is not switching. I'm just gonna wait for it. Oh yeah, it's just not working at all. That's great. Well, I'm switching it now, manually. Okay, yeah, that's definitely not switching. I'm gonna have to keep that in mind, I guess. Hopefully I just stay in the editor the whole time. Oh, whoops, I just switched away. I wonder if I change it. Oh, maybe it's because of VimR. Maybe that's what it is. Okay, whatever. All right. I'm gonna try to evaluate this thing without switching away from it. There we go. Okay. So it works like this. You have users, and then you could do find, and it's like really naive. So it just does the dumbest thing you can think. Let's see what else. Oh, there's delete, right? Which I don't want to do. I don't really want to do that. And then there's insert, right? So yeah, that's how it works, pretty much. Yeah, I can probably do that. Yep, testedexample.com. Okay. Oh, this is still kind of loud. I don't know if I like that. We'll turn it down a little bit more. There we go. That's better. I feel like my voice is really quiet too. Like, I don't know why I feel like that, but yeah. Maybe it's because this is not this. I have the gain like all the way up. Maybe I have to. Am I talking real low? Like, I don't know. All right. How do I evaluate? How do I use Conjure to evaluate this form? Conjure eval form. I think it's like E, right? Is it E? No. Eval. Conjure. Oh, Conjure eval. Conjure eval. Oh, unknown symbol. Oh, it's working. Cool. Of course, it's unknown. How do you eval a whole file? Conjure eval whole file. Okay, maybe this will tell me. Sorcery. Jump to my Scratch namespace. Oh my goodness. RR. Infectious spell, but a typical workflow. Re-eval the form at mark F. This is not helping me at all. Yeah, that didn't help me. What about this? Nope. Okay. Eval. Eval? Oh, man. I wish Cellular Mitosis was in here, because he would tell me what to do. Let me see. NREPL. Oh, there's some docs here. Okay, here we go. CD. Oh, here we go. Okay. What is it? Eval file? No. There's even a Janet one. Doesn't tell you. Connect to the running REPL. Disconnect. All configuration. Connector running REPL. Okay, so I guess they're probably all the same, right? Conjure.txt. Yeah. Mappings. That's what I'm looking for. Conjure eval in the current buffer's language and context. Entire buffer, so this also works with visual selections. Okay. Visible log windows. Oh, here we go. Here, now we're getting somewhere. Evaluate the current form under the cursor. Evaluates the form. Evaluate the root from under the cursor. Root form, word, form. Current file from disk. Yes, evaluate the current buffer contents. This is exactly what I wanted. EB. Actually, I don't even know what my leader is. What is it? EB? What? Oh, I should probably look at what my I should probably look at what my let me see. Nvim init. If you've never used okay, I have let map leader comma. Okay, so let me try it. Oh, this is pretty cool. If you are using the snow color scheme here, Nights and Snow in Vim, you can set your background as dark, and then if you want to show spaces like I do, right, you like put this in here. This is just for stripping white space, but you can put this in here, right, these two lines, and it'll show all spaces. And then you can do this to like mute them a little bit, so because normally they're like really. Okay, starting network REPL. Okay, it says disconnected. Conjure connect. Okay, let me try EB. Okay, so that leader thing is not right. It is definitely not a comma. Okay, now I have to look up how to do a leader. Local leader? What is it by default? What is local leader? Nvim local leader. We'll get there. We'll get there eventually. See, this is why I use Atom. Okay. So let me do this, I guess. Let map leader is this. Hopefully next stream I'll I already have that. Oh, okay. So now I have both. Let me see. Also, I probably won't keep using Vim on the stream if it doesn't automatically switch to back to the editor. Conjure connect. Okay, here we go. EB. I swear I'm pressing it. What does he call it? What is it called? Oh, there's just literally local leader, EB. What if I did semicolon, right? EB? EB. Oh. Huh. Whoop. Yeah, that is definitely not working. In NeoVim map local leader. Oh, the hard way. I guess I can do this. Actually, these are the default mappings. Remap the default prefix is local leader. Change your mappings configuration. Okay. I'm pretty sure my client state is conjure client state default. Okay. All right. I can just call this, I guess, right? Let map leader. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna switch to Adam right now. I will eventually. Whoops. Hello. I will eventually get there, but definitely not now. So let me try that. No, that's not doing anything. Let map local leader. Yeah, that's definitely not working at all. When you're set to create, you can use leader to mean whatever I have my leader key set to. That's interesting. I mean, there it is, right there. Nmap. I mean, I guess I can try to map it to something else, right? Since it's not working. I really don't want to give up. I don't want to give up on it. Configuration. You can change the default prefix to C. Let gconjure. Okay. Let me try that. Okay. C. Oh, wow. Oh. Huh. It's... Oh, alright, well... Kind of a bummer. Alright. I'll just switch to Adam. Okay. I'm gonna close that. Yes, discard and quit. The only thing that stinks about Adam is I have to like type it in the thing. But at least I can show you what I was trying to show you. Editor is gonna be Adam. Somewhere. I have to remap OBS on the fly here. There we go. Okay. Make it bigger. Close that. Make it even bigger. Alright. Sweet. So now all the switching is working. Good. Okay. Anyway. So dbfind, right? And it even like outputs the SQL that it creates. So now I don't have to do stupid CRUD stuff in in my SQL files, right? So here's a user SQL file, right? So here's like the create table, and then I've got some alter table stuff here. I've also got this reset session, which is kind of cool. Actually, one thing I was working on was in Janet, you can't send nulls, right? In a hash map or dictionary. So like that works, right? But if I do that, it's empty, but it clearly has a value, right? So if I do this, if I try to set, like let's set name to nil, right? You can't, right? Because it just says updated at, but it doesn't do anything, right? Because there's no name. So there's like workarounds that I have to do here that I haven't done yet, which I will do right now. Because like I can try to send null, but it sends the string null. it sends the string null. So yeah, that stinks. I should probably change this back to whatever it was. Right? That's my real email. Don't email me. Actually, oh, that's weird. Yeah, unique constraint failed. Oh, that's not even this user. This user is a fake user. fake@user.com. There we go. So yeah, I can, so it runs 2 queries, right, in one transaction. Update users, and then it does a select after. It's kind of nice because before it was like I was like trying to figure out how to do like, oh, what do I like add a transact thing to like the metadata here, and I'm like doing like fn like users inserted and all this stuff. It's crazy. Yeah, that was horrible. So I think I need to. I'm like a purist kind of, you know, like I'll have a solution to something, and I'll be like, oh, perfect, I'm gonna use this everywhere, right? Everywhere I'm gonna use this. But sometimes, right, for create, update, delete, right, and like, I don't know, some debugging queries, it's definitely, yeah, it's much better to generate the SQL, right? At least for me. All right, so I need to get this working. I need to be able to send null to this thing. Yeah, you'd think that Janet would have something for that, right? Like some built-in way to send nulls. Null? Yeah, I mean it has something here. Null has null, but I think check for embedded null bytes. It's strange. Yeah. I guess I could keep trying, but I don't think it's gonna work. What if I send the symbol null? Nope, that gets converted to a string. What if I send nil? The symbol nil. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's interesting. If I sent the symbol nil, it doesn't do anything. What if I send keyword nil? Okay, converted to a string. Man, this is frustrating. Okay, I'm just gonna have to designate this myself. So this the magic all happens in dbJanet. So I think I'm just gonna designate the keyword null as null, right? So I did this already. Hopefully you can see that. Hopefully everyone can see that. Yep. Okay. Everyone who's gonna watch this video after, right? not right now. All right. So I have this handy dandy param string function, and it takes a separator here, and it takes a list of columns, array of columns, vector, whatever, tuple, and it changes the columns from their column names to strings, and the string, it's like the string is like set, hang on, let me turn this on. Set, like if the column name was X, right? Let's say columns is this, name, right? You know, email. Then it would turn this into set name equals name, and set email equals email. And then it would do a string join, and it would convert these to this this bit into this one string, set name comma, right, set email equals email. And it works the same if you do like where, right? For where it would be, actually it doesn't do set. It just says set once. Actually, it does not do set at all. It just does that. And then for where it would be name equals name, and the separators and email equals email. And that's it. That's the secret sauce. That's how all SQL is now generated. It's that's it. Just these 2 lines, or these 3 lines, I guess. That's all. That's all it is. It's pretty. I mean, it's pretty. You know, it's whatever. I mean, I have these helper functions here, so I don't have to worry about like which separator I'm doing. All right. So for here, the params don't change, right? The params don't change. Actually. Because there's, you don't even want to, Oh, this is where it gets tricky. Dang it. That's one advantage of the static SQL in a file. Yeah, this gets tricky here because you want to check the value here, and you want to say, instead of this, like let's say columns, right? But let's say some of these values are yeah, Sean and nil, right? So, or I'm sorry, null, which is null. So if the value is null for email, you would want this to be this. Yep. So now I have to pass the whole enchilada, right? I guess I can make that an optional thing, right? So I don't have to change everything right away. Then I can just give it a default, right? Values is empty. And columns and values are gonna match up 1-to-1, I think. I hope. Actually, what am I calling this? Param string? How many references? I'm sorry, set string. 1 reference, that's it? Oh my gosh, why did I make that a function? Where string? 4 references? Oh. It's premature optimization there. So I think I'll just change this to pairs. Yep. And then it'll just be ordered pairs. Yes. And then I'll do when I map over the pairs, I'll say I'll have another thing in here that says, let me do that. Put this question mark right there. I'll say something like if nil, right? I'm gonna destructure this too, I think. KV. Yep, that's better. Make it a little better. I'll probably make this its own function. But yeah, for now we'll just do that. So this will be k equals if nil v null. Otherwise, this will be sorry, I'm like looking at text, which hopefully you can't see. All right. What was I doing? Oh yeah, right. So null, if nil, null. Otherwise, just set it to. Oh no, set it to the value. Oh my gosh, that'd be terrible. K. String K. There we go. Okay, and we'll just make that a little more readable. If nil, null. Okay, and then this is gonna be. I'll call it something like. Null or column. Oh, that's terrible. So then it destructures, right? And I just copy this whole thing. 12. Okay. Whoops. There we go. Boom. I can just leave that in one line probably. Okay, cool. And then this goes away, and I just call null or column. Okay. And then I need to change all the things, right? That oh, not if nil. If null. There we go. It's def null, def n null. Val equals val null. There we go. Okay, if null, null, otherwise the thing. Cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna change all this stuff. Oh, you know what? How does that work with the insert? Can you do that? Or just vanilla SQL? I just want to make sure I'm not messing anything up with the insert. Connection, insert into users, I guess. Or we'll do teams. Teams. Name, values, name. Values, this. Null. Oh, do you just put null, I guess? Let me see. Values, null. Okay, it seemed like it worked. I guess I can just use my my handy dandy stuff. All teams. Oh yeah, it did work. Look at that. Okay, so that is definitely a thing. But I don't know if I even need to do anything special there. I think I can just give it name and then say name nil, and then it's the same situation. Interesting. What if I give it name null? It'll probably do it the string null. Yep. Same thing with my other null. Yep. Okay. Well. All right. I guess I should just say. Well, since this, maybe I should make it work with nil somehow. Maybe having a null thing. I can simplify this a little bit. If v. Okay, there we go. That's a little better. Okay, yeah. Maybe this shouldn't be null. Maybe this should be nil. Yeah. Man, this is a lot of bike shedding I'm doing. I should just get back on the Rails train, use Active Record, right? They've already thought about all this stuff. But, you know, sometimes that's what you're gonna do. What I'm gonna do. That's what I'm doing now. Alright. Null or column? Nil or column. Okay, and then, so this, pairs. Oh yeah, but the pair doesn't exist. How would I know if it's supposed to be nil or not? I don't know if there's, yeah, this is not really a great workaround. But I do have to do something for insert. This is also pairs. And then instead of string join call, yep, that's fine. This has to be string. It has to be null or column. And I think to make it a little more, yeah. There we go. So yeah, that has to be string K. It's not as nice. I guess I could do another map and do that here. No, I can't. No, it has to be all together. Null or column. Null or param, and then I can say null or column. And this one can use this one. Oh my goodness, this is a disaster. This is why I was using the static. Now I remember why I was using static SQL. Oh my goodness, this is terrible. This is terrible. Okay, let me see. Null or column. KV, right? And it needs to be destructured. So I need to send it in a tuple. Oh my goodness, wow. All right, well, there it is. Nuller param, okay, calls nuller column. All right, so now I can call nuller column here. Map null or column, okay. This is value map second. Oh, there is no second. Map last. This is pairs. Pairs. Okay. I should try. I should try insert actually. Let me see if I can do that. DB insert. Okay, teams. Just what I was doing before. Name. Null. Oh, it's not good. Not looking good. Not good. Oh, right, because I'm not calling pairs there. I'm just calling. Okay, so this needs to be. How do you get pairs out of a dictionary? I think you just pairs, right? Pairs? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's. Oh, is that? Yeah, that's fine. Pairs, pairs, pairs. Okay. I guess I can just call pairs. I don't need to assign it to a thing. Yep, looking good. Okay, let me try it again. Okay, this should work. This should work. Oh, no. What? What is it, though? Insert into teams null? Oh, man. That's not good. Oh, you know what? Because it's the values. Yeah, I didn't do that. Actually, map last pairs, right? Oh, map first pairs. Jeez. Those are columns, right? And then this is null or column should have been null. That should have been null. Null or param? If it has a value. Oh, if it has a value. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Reverse that again. Okay. The wonders of dynamic languages. Invalid index and SQL param. Oh, right. Yeah, you can't just. I guess I can't just send in stuff with like I can't just send a dictionary with that. Oh my gosh, I have one more thing to do to get this to work. Jeez, what this is, I don't know if this is worth it. I should just go back to writing boilerplate SQL insert statements. All right. Yeah, I don't think this is worth it. I don't know if this is worth it. I don't think it is. All right. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if this is worth it. So I have to every time a value is null, I have to actually. Yeah, I'm not sure the best way to do this. Now that I think about it. Every time a value in the dictionary is null, I have to change it to be nil. Jeez. All right. The easiest way I can think is just a loop. Just looping it. Right. I'm sure there's a way to like convert the keys to values and values to keys, and then like you say where get blah null, and then you change it to nil, and then now you have like nil. Is it actually, can nil be a key? Whoa, that would be insane. Let me see. Does it work? No, it doesn't work. Well, that's actually, you know what? Yeah, even if you just change, yeah, I'll just loop through. It'll be fine. Okay, let's see here. Nullify. Nillify is probably better. So just do this, assign a new one. Output. I do this all the time, as you can tell. HP, KV, dict, okay. If null value is, if that's null, then we just say put dict k nil. Otherwise, do nothing. right? When? Oh, put output k nil. Otherwise, put output kv. And that's the end of that. That's the end of that. Look, if you do mutation in a function, doesn't make a sound, right? It's like if a tree falls in the forest, doesn't make a sound. Like if you mutate within a function, does anyone care? No. The answer is no. No one cares. See, closure. I'm looking at you. No one cares. Nobody cares. I don't care, right? Okay. So let me call nillify on this. Oh my goodness! Wow, what a disaster. All right, here we go. I was just trying to make something simple, something nice, you know, a clean, thing. There it is, right there. That was it. Did you see it? Did you see it working? Right here. Insert into teams name values null. Now I have to do the same for update, which is admittedly trickier. Okay, so I need to. Okay, so SQL update needs to take where pairs. Where pairs? And these are pairs. Pairs, where pairs. And then, okay, that should be good to go now. So I go back to DB update, and I need to, who cares? Where pairs? Where pairs? Pairs. And this is just pairs. KVs. Well, that's a function too. Pairs. Pairs is pairs. So I can just call pairs here. Pairs. Everything is pairs. Pairs everywhere. Pairs. Is there pairs? Pair emoji? Pair. There it is. I should just call it. Oh, I wish Janet had support for emojis. Maybe it does. Pairs? Put that in there. Because then I don't have to override pairs. Right? Pair. All right. I think it's just ASCII though. I don't think that works. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it actually works. There's no way. Let me def pair. Why am I doing? It doesn't matter. Let's do pairs. Whoops, that's a rocket. Oh man, it's actually in the REPL though. That's cool. Okay, let me see. Pair. Pairs. Pair. We can just call pair. X. Oh, ununsable X, of course. Oh my gosh. If I try, I wonder if that's because I'm doing like something, maybe like that. Let me see. We'll do pair one more time. Pairs at the frequently used level. Oh my gosh. So if I just call pair, right? Wow, it does support it. That's really cool. Okay, I did not. Is that new? I have no idea. I feel like it wasn't working before, but whatever. So pairs here, pairs there, where pairs, right? And then I have to SQL update. Okay, that's done. Merge. I also have to nillify. And I have to nillify this. Nillify. I'm gonna, you know what? This is the cardinal sin of dynamic language programming. You don't want to change more than one thing at one time, but I'm doing it anyway. I'm doing it right now. This is pairs. This is a pair. Pairs. I have to select the emoji. There we go. Pairs. Yeah, there's actually a cool app for this, Rocket Emoji or something. No, it's called something else. Oh, here we go. Rocketmoji.co. There we go. The fastest way to select it. No. It's actually like a little app. Emoji fast selection app, macOS. Let's see. It is called Rocket. See, it's called Rocket. Yeah, it's actually, you know what? I almost want this. I almost want to download that right now. If I'm gonna start putting emojis in my code, I need to step up the game a little bit. You know, need to get that under control. I don't want to be trying to select pairs from the list every time, right? This app is super old too. It's crazy that it still works. Okay, so rocket, boom. Is it running? I don't know. Oh, is it running now? There it is. Oh, I need to open accessibility. What? Why does Rocket need access to notifications? Seems fishy. I smell something fishy. Alright. Okay, type rock here. Okay, cool. So if I type pair. Perfect. Done. Enable website detection? That's fine. Oh my gosh. What? Ugh, don't allow. Alright. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna give this a shot now. Let's see. Let's try it. Pairs? Pair. Nice! Nice! Alright, sweet. Oh wow, I got a little guy doing something. This is cool. Does he have the facepalm? Oh my gosh, there is the facepalm. There it is. Dude, that's sweet. Alright. So we have pairs here. And then the pairs go here. Here and here. Pairs. Pair. Boom. That is fast. You know what? I'll give it to you. I'll give it to him. That is pretty quick. That's pretty fast. That's fast emojiness. Okay. Oh shoot. Am I on? Oh man. You know what? This is gonna be muted now. YouTube. No. Dang it. It changed. The thing changed. How do you repeat on you? Can you not repeat? Loop. Oh my goodness. That whole section is gonna be muted. There's no question. Oh man. Dang it. I mean, you know, no one watches live because like it's 3 a.m. London time, you know? Oh my gosh. I apologize for like the random like long amount of muting. All right, I've been streaming for 47 minutes. Oh my goodness. If anyone's in here, I'm glad that you're sticking around. But yeah, definitely one of the worst streams, I think. Like off to like a bad start with Vim. All right, so this is almost done though. This little section is almost done. Here we go. So nullify twice. Actually, let's just do def dict is gonna be. We'll just redefine it. Nullify again. Okay, we'll call it params. Cool. Okay. All right. So let me try it. I don't know if I need that S anymore. Okay. All right. So this is the moment of truth, right? This is it. Name null. Oh, nice. Noise. That's noise. Look at right there. Update users set name equals null. Dude, that's it. All right. I mean, it is a little more. It was a little bit more. This noise. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but I don't want to. We'll just noise GIF, right? It probably won't be copyrighted. Is it gonna do the thing? Oh, Giphy. That's fine. All right. This right here. This. I mean, like Key and Peele are just like so like random. But yeah, sometimes they'll do something that's like really memeable, and noise is it. So the whole thing, it's like such a dumb video. Like the skit is like this kid's like, this guy just keeps saying noise over and over again, and the other guy's like, no, noise is my thing. Like, you can't say noise, and he wants to say it, and so the other guy shuts him down, and he's like, noise. He's like, he just wants to. Anyway, I don't know. It's a weird sketch. I don't know. Key and Peele they're weird. Okay, so all right. This is good. This is good to go. Oh, you know what? This is a lot of nillifying going on here. I don't know if I... oh, you know what? Maybe I do need to nillify it twice. Alright, that's cool. Yeah, sweet. Cool. That's another one from what was it? What was it? Show? Oh man, what was that show? I don't even remember. Oh, Community. Cool. Alright. Delete these comments. Explaining everything. Whoever looks at this shall not know what any of this stuff does. It's not for you. Doc's for me, but not for thee. Okay. Alright. Yep. Cool. Okay. Actually, you know what? Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so back to the main app, the main attract. Oh, that's why I switched, by the way. Did you see how blank that was? I don't know if you could rewind. I would show you again, but sometimes in Atom, I open a file and it's blank. It's just blank, and I have to reopen it. So I was like, oh, well, I'm just going to Vim. So I did. And I don't know what I'm doing in Vim, obviously, if you watch the first part of this thing. Oh, one thing I did, since I'm almost done with this stream now, is I might as well talk about what I did. Okay, so I added a flash messages, which is it's actually kind of annoying, because flash messages get stored in the session cookie, right? But they only persist after one request. So when another request comes in, so they get set, right? And then when another request comes in, they get cleared. So it was weird. I basically wound up keeping track of two things in the session: the flash message itself, and then whether or not it has already been set. So if it's been set, or if a new request starts and the thing is set, then I know to unset it. Look, it was annoying. It was annoying, but it works. So here you have to enable sessions in Osprey to get it to work. And then here's an example in the examples folder, right? HTML. Here it is. It's a dictionary. It's a table actually. So you can change it, you mutate it, whatever. So just like any other dictionary or table, you can put whatever you want, key value pairs, name it whatever, and then when it comes time to view it, here's a good pattern. When let message, you can get the key that you just did, and then you can put it in the HTML, and that's that. That's all there is. That's it. That's what it is. What else have I done lately? I don't even know. Let's look at the commits. I've been working on this a little bit. Flash messages. Wow, say flash messages 3 times fast. That's hard. Flash messages. I'm not gonna do it. Okay, let me see. Okay, so a lot of flash going on. Oh, that's right. I'm trying to, like, I think someone, like, after in my mind the word, so like before and after, right? And I was like, oh, that's fine. Like before the request, and then after the response is about to get sent to the client. But then, oh, you know what? I tweeted this the other day. Look at this. Look at this clipboard. Like, why are they not equal height? And this has been like this for months. Like, I can't be the only one who's like, what is this? There's no way they did this on purpose. Look, this button is this high, right? This little badge. And then this is this high, right? Do you see that? There's like a gap. And then this one's the same height as the other one. And so is this. It's like, all right. Okay, so I basically, after doesn't make any sense, right? Because someone in the chat was like, this doesn't make any sense. Like, what is after? Is after like after the client gets the response? I'm like, that obviously that makes no sense. So I'm like, okay, all right, let me try to get rid of after. And so like, since this dude is already, Yosef is already using it, right? He's already using Osprey, so it was like a sort of a workarounds to like make everything backwards compatible still, which miraculously it is backwards compatible. I tested it, but yeah. So I'm basically moving away from having after be a thing. Like if you know it's there, that's noise. But if you don't know it's there, well, you won't know it's there now. If you go, this is only 33 stars, right? That's nothing. So if anyone who's looking at this repo for the first time is new, right? Like this is the assumption, is that it's new. Oh, I should update the changelog and say I added flash messages. Let me do that right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. What? That is not noise. Let me find it somewhere. Here it is. Okay. Yes. Changelog. Alright, I should probably release a version, right? Just unreleased. It's been like that for months. I should probably just be like, kind of 1.0, whatever. It's 1.0, just use it. Okay. What am I doing? Oh, added flash message support to when enable sessions is called. All right. Good. Okay, flash message support. Oh, actually, you know what? I already pushed it. Whatever, doesn't matter. Okay. So, I also one last thing. I also changed this. Oh, I did two things. Actually, I did two things. I've been super productive. Two things. Wow. It's like I'll eventually release this thing. Let me just show you. It is working. Actually, it's working all the way now. So like, I actually, you know what? I don't want to even do this because it's bad. It's probably just gonna fail exactly. Invalid index in SQL parameters. There it is. There it is. Even on sign in. That's sad. That oh, I'm trying to get these gnats back. Oh, I got it. All right, I got it. These plants. There's a lot of gnats in these plants. Oh, it's like all over my hand. All right. Okay, create session. I don't even know why I'm like trying to hold on to this like weird thing. We'll just call it sign in. Like why? What is it? Create session. Like what is that? What is going on? It's just sign in. That's it. That's what it is. It's like what are you doing? You're signing in. Okay, so this is not good, right? Select from users where 101 equals 101. Okay, I think I went a little too far with the find. This is now pairs. Yeah, this is pairs. This is pairs. Wait, shouldn't it be pairs? Yeah, it should be pairs. Deal with the gnats. Deal with it. I am dealing with the gnats. I'm killing them. I'm killing the gnats. SQL all also needs to be pairs. Pair. Put a pair on that. There we go. I should just. Why even have an S though? Yeah, I'll just leave with S. Pairs. Where string is pairs. Pair there. Pair there. Pairs. Okay, and then let's do db find. db find columns. See, that's the problem, right? This should be pairs. This should be a pair emoji. Duh. It's like, what? What am I doing? Pairs, and then I have to nullify this. And then this is the same, unless empty. This should be pairs. And this should be pairs. And this needs that. Alright. I am gonna try this real quick, just so I don't, just so it doesn't blow up in my face. Whoop. Okay. Well, that's that. What is going on? I really messed this up now. What did I do? Nullify pairs. Oh, columns. Pairs. There we go. And this also needs to be pairs. And this is also pairs. Pair. Oh, I'm not even using the thing. What? Pair. Pair. Oh, I actually typed in pair. That's hilarious. Let me just select this. I wonder if NeoVim has support for okay, let's see if that works. Oh my gosh, I really just ruined everything. Okay, now I have to undo everything, right? I was getting a little too okay, so that's not good. Oh, you know what? It didn't like that in the it didn't like the pairs. The pair emoji. It didn't like it. Could not print to change. Yeah, that's it right there. You can't put a okay, that's the limitation for Janet. You can't put an emoji in as a argument to a function. It's sad, but I can deal with it. It's fine. We're all adults here. All right, pairs. Okay, pairs. Okay. When pairs. Oh, okay, I redefined it. That's fine. This should also be pairs. This should be pairs. Nullify that thing. It should be pairs. It should be pairs. It should be pairs. Nullify. Okay, there we go. All right, so now this will hello 131. What line am I on? What's happening? Okay. Let me try this one more time. Here we go. Okay, boom. There it is. It's working. All right, so let me actually try to sign in. Let me run the server. Here we go. All right, let me see if sign in works again. And it does not. It does not. Let's see. Wow, it's getting crazy. How many things is it running here? Select email. Okay, update users, session token. Oh, that's fine. Okay, and then select from. Wait, what the heck? It's updating everything. That's probably, I didn't really think that through. Actually, wait, update. Yeah, what? And then update users, and then it just updated all the users. Oh my gosh. You know what? I should have just done if it ain't broke, don't fix it, you know? Select from users, got struct. Yeah, I'm sure he did. I'm sure you did. 708, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. 708. Oh, 708. User? Got struct. Oh, it's struct. Wait, what? DB update returns a struct? That's so weird. Yeah, that's crazy. What? Does it really? Okay, 4 more minutes. And it's all over. ID 1. Name? Name? Oh, it does return a struct. Well, that changes everything. Yep. I guess I have to just just merge it with an empty thing to get it to not be a struct. Actually, let me see what. Is that working? Oh yeah, look at that. It looks like it's okay. It didn't actually do the thing, so that's okay. Yeah. All right. Well, one more time. Here we go. Third time's the charm. Right. All right. Here we go. Oh, it's working. It's working. Look at all those SQL queries, though. That's insanity. There's this update, which is super hard to read, because it literally updates everything. Why is it updating everything? Maybe I should be a little more discerning. Oh, I see. Where, and then, but I only passed that. I only passed set. Yeah, what? Update user set. Session token. Oh, okay, so that's fine. And then where, the wheres. I just, you know what though? Yeah, like that, I thought that. I was like, you know what? I'll just set the where to whatever. Like what, it doesn't even matter, right? It could be super specific. It doesn't need to be ID. So yeah, that's, it definitely doesn't log well. Like it looks like it's broken. So I should definitely, now that I'm thinking like I should just bring in my DB library and use that instead. But yeah, maybe I'll just change this. I'll just say ID equals ID, right? And just always have an ID, right? There we go. Now I don't need to do anything. Yes. Or I can leave that the way it is. And just leave that, and then I can, instead of just saying update user's user, I can say user ID, right? Like that. It's ugly. It's definitely uglier, but it'll look better in the logs, I guess. All right, one more time. Here we go. Alright. Okay, I gotta stop messing around with all this stuff. Update users, blah 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 blah. Where? Updated that. It's ID. Oh, it didn't really change anything. Oh wait, no, here it is. Yeah, it didn't really, because I merge it with the. Yeah, that's hilarious. That's funny. Is that a different one? Let's look. Oh. 8430. Yeah, it is different. Almost my bedtime. 1 minute. That's it. And it's over. Oh my goodness. Not found. Okay, so session token. Find users by session token. I mean, I'm sure the param exists. Am I sure? I don't know. Let me see. Okay. Yep, there it is. Was that the one that I just did? Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, well. And then find by session token. This should work. But it's not working. I can just type it in here manually. Oh my gosh, 10 o'clock. That's it. Oh, look at that. It definitely did not find anything. That's interesting. Because I know that should find somebody. Oh, look at that. The session token did get updated. Oh, man. You know what? This update is too naive, right? The thing is, in this DB update, when I merge these together, That is the problem. That is the problem. That is why I usually just like do it by ID, right? Yeah. All right, well, I gotta go back to the drawing board on this one. I might just go back to what I had before, right? Which I don't. If I stash this, I don't think I'm losing much. I think I did the invite thing, but I think that was already there. Let me see. Oh yeah, there. Nope. Create session. Oh man, I lost all the invites. All right, well maybe I'll just I'll have to pick that out of there. The invite stuff, which I think it's using this now. Great. Yeah, maybe the only way out is through. I have to commit to this sad update situation. All right, that's for next time, I guess. One of these days, I will release this thing, and people will be like, $49. What? That's we're not gonna. We don't want that. Then I can move on to the next thing. All right, thanks for watching. I will be back on Thursday. Actually, what's going on Thursday? What is Thursday? What is Thursday? What is that? The 4th? Yeah, that's probably fine. I'll probably be back on Thursday. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I appreciate everyone who does Janet things on the internet and helps me when I don't know what I'm talking about, which is most of the time. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.